Start from the last time. Today I'm here to talk about these two devices. This is a podcasting microphone. This is a podcasting microphone. Along with it, the studio head kits. Okay, this is the one here. You will open it and then you see. And the second one here is a sound card plus a microphone. Okay, it's compatible anyway. I'm not gonna dig in a lot without opening it. So I will open it and we will see what is inside. Okay. Without further ado, let's unbox it. Let's see. First we go with the sound card. So here we have our sound card. It's just small, compact, and I love it. I love the touch. Just small, easy to take it, travel with it. You can put it in your bag easily and go anywhere. Look like those platinum, DJ platinum, but isn't. And then what we can get again in the box, we have this full setup. You see inside the box, here we have a microphone, okay, the podcast microphone, and we have some accessories here. USB cable, which type of USB? Let me see. Okay, nice one. Type C to Type C, and they put an adapter here for Type B. Next one, we have audio cable. I believe that's aux 2.5 to 2.5. Yes, exactly. They put two aux cable for you to be able to. They mention here podcasting cables. So you can connect it. You can connect this to an amplifier or speaker or whatever, and your mobile phone anyway. We will reach there soon. Okay. USB cable, audio cable, microphone, sound card, and then this is just a foam filter. We put it on the microphone. Okay. Next one, this is the mic cable. Okay. In the box of the sound card, we have accessories like audio cables, and USB cable. We have our microphone, we have our microphone cable, we have the sound card, and the manual to follow to set up your sound card. So right now we're going to proceed on the second box and do the unboxing for the second box, and based on that we will match both, we can interconnect both and see how we can use it with our system. When I say our system, our laptop, which is right here, and do some recording, do some testing, and see how it's gonna be. Without further ado, let's go and unbox the second box, which is the podcast microphone and studio headphone case. Okay. In this box, I will also have additional mic here in this box. Why? Because this headphone comes with the podcast microphone. So the first one is the filter. That's Maono filter. Okay, for the voice. And this is the microphone. I believe that was the microphone that fell. I love it. I love the shape. Let's compare both and see how it look like. Oh, for you, which one will you like go for? Which one do you like? The right one or the left one? Well, for me, I don't mind, no matter what shape it has, but my main focus is the sound quality, okay? And both are Maono. So we have two mics, okay? I keep this here so that we will not mix it. We have a, yes, okay. We have USB here, USB type B and USB type A. It goes to this, and then we have the type B USB, normal type B USB, which can go to the laptop or any USB port. The next one, this is our headphone, our DJ Mac headphone, okay? Easy to use. Guys, you see it with the logo. I love it. I hope it's gonna be, and the adapter here, the audio connector here. Oh, let me just tear it off. Tearing it, okay. Yes. So they have an adapter, an aux adapter to the aux type, aux 2.5 to the old one, the old standard, the old aux cable. aux connector, so I can just remove it and use this directly to a laptop, or connect this and put it on some amplifier still using this port. I don't know if my audio sound, yeah, the sound card doesn't use this, so I keep this side. And the last thing I can, oh, there are some strap here, okay. The last thing I can find from this box is my adapter, yes, my mic. Okay, this is the mounting, the mic mounting. You can mount this to a desk or anything, or better for me, what I usually do, I rather use a tripod or something to fix my mic. But if I have to do a recording, a podcast, or anything that I require to sit like this I'm sitting, I prefer this. So it's easy for me to just attach it. I can just fix it to the desk. 1 second. Yes, okay. Let's just fix it. Yes, okay. Now. And you don't need any screwdriver or any tool to be able to fix it. So we have this detachable parts. You fix it, you screw it, okay, with your finger. And the other one goes to the desk side here. You again tighten it up. After that, I can now freely move my yes, my arm, the audio mic's arm, okay. And then where is my, let me see, it should still have something in that I can fix this on. Yes, okay, not yet finished. And this one, that is the mic holder actually. So this, I will screw it here. Okay, and the mic, the final thing, the mic goes in all the way and connects my USB. Tighten it up, and then we are good to go. This filter will go this way, okay? Let's fix this one back. Yes, somewhere here. Yes, and then this. Doesn't it look good? Yes, it is. So, if I have a podcast, it's easy for me to just move this around and just start talking. We have unboxed both box I received, the sound card and the podcast microphone and is a headphone. So now let's try to interconnect them and connect it with my laptop here and try and make some sound and the function of this sound card, each button, and as well as the interconnectivity between all, so that you can see. Right now we have two devices here that is, I can say, extra. Yes, this and this. We will test both and see which one has a better sound quality, and we will go for it. The other one, you can keep it as standby. Before interconnecting things, I will explain to you the use of this sound card. Actually, this sound card is a sound card that you can be able, there are so many variants in the market. Especially, don't look at going cheaper. If you go cheaper, I have a friend that got his own, I don't want to name the brand, but it wasn't a that good brand and it was cheap. And the guy told me use it for like 3 months and it's gone. So will you want to keep buying those sound cards every 3 months? No, I don't think so. I don't think so at all. No one want to lose his money every month. So this Maono, I believe is a good brand, and based on people review online, is quite reliable and the sound quality is amazing. Let me explain to you what this sound card has. We have two inputs here, which is mic 1 and mic 2. The second one is the headphone. We connect this headphone, and the headphone comes with an adapter over here. So I will remove it and connect it to the headphone parts, okay? And we have music inputs. So I need an aux cable. Where's the aux cable? Yeah. I have an aux cable here, which I have to connect it from this aux cable to my laptop or mobile phone in case it has a aux cable port. So these are now output ports. We have one, two, three, four output ports and a Type-C. So usually for me, I don't usually try to use, because nowadays laptops doesn't come with the aux cable, yeah? Aux cable connectivity. So directly you can go with the USB Type-C to Type-C, because you know, since MacBook Revolution came on, they have all the device now coming only with two ports, which is Type-C to Type-C. So two Type-C, one is Type-C, normal Type-C for data, and the second one is the Thunderbolt. So I have the Type-C here, which I can just connect it here, and it will go to my laptop right here, okay? Even though my laptop still has the aux cable port here, which I can still connect it, but once I power it on, you can see. So this is the Type-C to Type-C. I will connect it to my laptop, and I have also the aux cable. The aux cable will go to my aux ports, okay, aux ports here, and will come to the inputs, because these are inputs. I need to take the music from the laptop to the sound card, and from the sound card to the speaker. So right now I do not bring any speaker with me. Yeah, right now I do not bring any speaker with me, so I will definitely use my this output, this headphone as an output. Yeah. So next one, let's go to the top part and see what. Okay, so right now I'm gonna show you this, the front of the use of all the button of this. I've connected this to my speaker, headphone speaker, whatever. I assume it's something like speaker and headphone. So it's here right now. Connect to my which port? Let's have a look. In the headset, I have a mic, the mic that came with the sound card. I have my laptop here. I have my laptop, okay? And then I'm playing some sound. I'm playing sound coming from the laptop right now. And this is, as you can see, there's a sound coming from there's a sound coming from my, there's a sound coming from my headphone, okay? So if I can reduce, I can control the volume right here, okay? And here I have my input for the mic, which I can control also here, and this is the monitor. So if I have a speaker connected to it, the sound will be playing, and this monitor will go to the headphone, okay? I have my echoing, hello mic test 1 2 1 2, which I will completely put down. And then here I have some different effects, which I have already explained. So I will talk about those 4 buttons right here, which are customizable. So I have recorded some crazy stuff, so let me play them and then you can listen. Take it or leave it. Exactly. I didn't talk about he talks. Okay. I will again play another one. It's crazy, man. That's crazy. Okay. So to record is very easy. Let me play. Let me see. Yeah, I think I saved something. So right now I'm gonna do another recording to show you how I can record this. I mean, how I can make use of this button. So I will click on it to start blinking. Okay. Then I will click again. Okay, so now that it's blinking slowly, so that means anything I'm talking, it keep recording it. So I will stop it and then see if it has saved it, okay? Yes, I stopped it. Now if I press it back, it has to tell me whatever I said just a few minutes ago, okay? Let's try again. I will click again. Okay, so now that it's can you see? Can you hear me? Anything I'm talking, exactly. That's what. So see if he has saved it, okay? It's crazy, right? So anyway, they leave those 4 buttons for you to be able to use them and customize whatever you want to save on it. Like, sometimes when you play, you don't have time to go through it and saying, oh yeah, like you don't need to say repetitive thing. Just you press it and then it goes to go. I will increase the volume again. Yes, and you can hear that it's coming up, and I have 4 other outputs controller here, which I can customize as I want. Those you see A, B, BB, CC, all those. Yeah, you need a earphone to really know what it's about, because if I right now I don't have a big speaker here so that you can just hear what it's about. But guys, go for it. Honestly, it's a good product which I believe you might be in love with it once you have it. And based on people review, his work is very, 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 very good, and it stay for a long time. Not like my friend that got something that lasts for him for a few days only, and you need to go buy a new one again. So guys, this is the end of our, oh, this echoing is still there. I need to off it. So we are at the end of our video recording, our unboxing and testing, and you can see so far I haven't connected any power cable to it. I just connect to the laptop, but I connected to get how do you call it, to get the output from there. So guys, please go subscribe, like the channel, share to your friend, promote me so that I can be able to do more videos. That's it. Go for it, and I really advise you guys to go for it. Better than go for other brands, because based on this and all the features I've seen, it's a good thing. So see you in the next video.